Welcome to TOEFL Academic Vocabulary Shadowing, Part 1 of 4. Each sentence uses a high-frequency TOEFL word in context. Listen, pause, and repeat it out loud before moving to the next one. Let's begin.
1. The professor asked us to analyze the results carefully. 2. Her hypothesis was later confirmed by the experiment. 3. This finding has significant implications for the field. 4. The lecture focused on a rare natural phenomenon. 5. The economy managed to sustain steady growth. 6. This theory explains the underlying cause of the event. 7. Researchers had to validate their data before publishing. 8. The professor will summarize the chapter next class. 9. This custom is a long-standing tradition on campus. 10. She decided to transfer to a different university. 11. The course covers the transition from theory to practice. 12. This process requires careful observation over time. 13. The study aims to investigate the root cause. 14. His argument was based on solid evidence. 15. The committee will evaluate each proposal individually. 16. This model attempts to predict future outcomes. 17. The data clearly indicates a rising trend. 18. Students must demonstrate a strong grasp of the material. 19. This approach can help enhance learning outcomes. 20. The paper explores several alternative explanations. 21. This method has proven to be highly efficient. 22. The results were entirely consistent with expectations. 23. This subject requires a deep comprehension of the basics. 24. The professor gave a detailed explanation of the concept. 25. This claim needs further verification.
That's part 1 of our TOEFL vocabulary series. Repetition is how these words become automatic in your writing and speaking. Part 2 is next. Subscribe so you don't miss it.